Want to create animated videos completely free? Today, I'm not going to make this video too long. Just follow my 5 simple steps, and I promise this video can completely change the way you create content. Step 1. Find a successful YouTube channel. The first thing you need to do is find a successful YouTube channel in the animation niche. Search for channels that are getting millions of views with simple animated videos. Check their most popular videos, upload schedule, thumbnails, and storytelling style. You will notice that many of these channels grow extremely fast, sometimes gaining thousands of subscribers within days or weeks. Don't copy them directly, just study their content and understand what people love to watch. Once you find a channel that matches your goals, move to the next step. Step 2. Generate a complete AI prompt. Now open ChatGPT and generate a complete prompt based on the style of the channel you selected. To make things easier, I have already provided a powerful prompt in the description below. Simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT. The AI will automatically generate everything you need for your video, including the story script, voiceover narration, character details, image prompts, scene-by-scene breakdowns, and video generation prompts. This saves hours of work and gives you a complete animated video plan within minutes. Just copy the generated content step by step and move on to creating your video. Step 3. Generate high-quality images with free AI tools. Now let's move on to step 3. At this stage, we will generate all the images for our animation using free AI image generators. I personally use Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2 because they produce high-quality cartoon images and maintain character consistency very well. Simply copy the image prompts generated by ChatGPT and paste them into the AI image generator one by one. Generate each scene separately and carefully check the results. If an image doesn't look right, make small adjustments to the prompt and generate it again. Make sure the character looks the same in every scene, including the hairstyle, clothes, facial features, and colors. This is very important for professional-looking animations. Save all the generated images in the correct order and organize them scene by scene. Once all your images are ready, you will have the visual assets needed for your entire animated video. Take your time during this step because better images will lead to a much better final animation. After generating all the images successfully, we can move on to the next step and turn them into animated videos. Step 4. Generate voiceover with 11 Labs. Now let's move on to step 4. At this stage, we need to create the voiceover for our animation. Simply sign up for 11 Labs and log in with your account. New users usually receive free credits, which are enough to create several short voiceovers. Next, go back to ChatGPT and generate all the narration lines separately for each scene. Once your narration is ready, copy the text and paste it into 11 Labs. Choose a voice that matches your story style, whether it's funny, energetic, friendly, or dramatic. After selecting the voice, click Generate and let 11 Labs create the audio for you. Listen to the result and make sure the pronunciation and pacing sound natural. If needed, make small edits to the text and regenerate the audio. Repeat this process for all scenes until you have the complete narration ready. Download all the audio files and keep them organized in the correct order. Once your voiceover is finished, you're ready for the final step where we'll turn everything into a complete animated video. Step 5. Generate AI videos for free. Now let's move on to the final step. At this stage, we will turn our images into animated videos completely free. Simply open Meta AI and go to the image to video generation feature. Upload your generated image, then copy and paste the video prompt that ChatGPT created for that specific scene. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Yes, just a few seconds, not minutes. Meta AI will automatically create an amazing animated video from your image. The best part is that you don't need any credits or paid subscription to get started. Just upload the image, paste the prompt, and let the AI do the work for you. Repeat the same process for all scenes until every scene has its own animated video. If your video feels too short, Meta AI also provides a video extend option. Simply click Extend, and the AI will continue the animation while maintaining the same style and motion. This feature is extremely useful for creating longer and smoother scenes. Once all your scenes are generated, combine them together with your voiceover in any video editor. Within a few minutes, you'll have a complete animated YouTube Shorts video ready to upload. That's it! Your entire AI animation workflow is now complete, from finding an idea to creating a fully animated video for free. Final step, edit everything in CapCut now. It's time to bring everything together. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the AI-generated video clips in the correct order. Then add the voiceover audio that you created with 11 Labs. Arrange the clips according to the narration and make sure everything is perfectly synced. To make the video more engaging, add simple transitions and a few smooth effects between scenes. You don't need complicated editing, just keep it clean and entertaining. Next, use CapCut's Auto Captions feature to generate subtitles automatically. This will make your videos more professional and increase audience retention. Review the captions, fix any mistakes, and choose a caption style that matches your content. You can also add background music at a low volume to make the video more enjoyable. Once everything looks good, preview the entire video and make any final adjustments. Finally, export the video in high quality and upload it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels. That's it! You have successfully created a complete AI animated video for free using ChatGPT, AI image generators, 11 Labs, Meta AI, and CapCut. Now repeat this process daily. Stay consistent and keep improving your content. The more videos you create, the better your chances of going viral and growing your channel.
And a basket full of sweetness. In the quiet of the forest, even a tiny cup of tea feels like home. She doesn't just cook, she creates warmth, one tiny spark at a time. When the world slows down, dreams grow softly under glowing lights. Every path she walks holds a story waiting to be discovered. Even the rain sings when you listen with a peaceful heart. She gathers little lights, like capturing pieces of the night sky. In every ripple, there's a moment of pure joy. Friendship doesn't need words, just a gentle touch and a kind heart. As the sun says goodbye,